the people are doing. No one is demanding, but the people are doing it.
Yeah, groom side people, they never ask for any kind of dowry, right? But
Yeah, for example,
bride.
uh, in case if I am going to marry, my father definitely not going to ask the dowry.
Right. But the girl side,
But
they give you.
yeah, what happened? They are thinking we are also equal to you. So if you are not asking, also we give the 1 kg, 2 kg,
Right.
and dependent people they will give.
Right. Right.
The people are thinking that is the status.
Right. And they want to show themselves because they want to make happy their son-in-law and daughter-in-law, right? And daughter also, father also, he also wants to give donate or
Yeah,
give.
actually, my ambition, I want to start a business,
Mhm.
but a lot of time I'm thinking like a house husband. I want to be a good house husband.
Of course, definitely it is depend upon person to person. If you want to be, then definitely you can do it, right? Because it is a required
Yeah.
mindset. How you means manage your personal life and professional life, you can decide, right? You can
No, no,
run.
no, no, no. I am telling you the house husband means
Mhm.
I am not doing any work. Just I am doing the household work, cleaning the kitchen, preparing the food, take care of my child. And that way I'm telling. I'm not going to the work. I'm not going to the handling the business.
Okay, then what she will do?
Yeah, that's one of my like okay, you know the household what they do.
Okay, I got your point, but what she will do? She goes to outside to earn something to run your
No,
home or what? And she
this
sit.
is that is ours. I am not able to say
Okay.
like like in case we don't have money.
Mm-hmm.
Money is very important. Without go to the work, money is we are not able to eat. That's why that time only we are going to go to the work and do how to do business something, right?
Right. Then that
In
time.
case if you have sufficient money,
Mhm.
you don't have interest to anything. What do you do?
Yeah, that's why money equal to motivation. If you don't have money, then how you be motivation yourself, right? And sometimes
Yeah,
live
that's
so.
that's at the time also. My thinking at least 10 years or 5 years, minimum 10 years. I want to be a good house husband.
Okay, definitely advance all the best. You can do it because if you think, then definitely you can do it, right? Then you can do it.
Yeah, nowadays my mentality boys, particularly men are egoist, men are little bit higher. They are thinking.
Right.
So
That's why
at
gender
least
equality is
I,
going
I,
on.
I am not social changer.
Okay.
At least I will choose my family.
I got your point. You want to change yourself, then people, you become example for other people, right? They can
Not
ask.
like that. At least I follow my self-respect.
Okay.
Okay. We are
Okay.
talking about the equality. We are talking about that a lot of things.
Right.
But no one coming to the reality.
Yeah, they don't ready to take action. They only advise others, right?
Yeah,
They only tell something,
everyone is just speaking.
right? Right, but they don't take action. And
Yeah.
that's why gender discrimination is high inside India, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say.
Hmm.
If I am a house husband,
Right.
my wife is like getting some recognition.
Right.
In future also, in Tamil Nadu, have one formality.
Okay.
We don't mention our surname.
Okay. Why you don't
Do you,
mention your surname? Why is it?
what is the reason we are talking about equality?
Hmm, 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 hmm.
In case if you are mentioned the surname, easily able to identify who are, which caste you are, which religion you are, right?
Right, right, right. Then if
But we have one formality.
okay,
We
then
are we are putting the name.
hmm,
My name is Tanvik. My father name is
hmm,
my father name is Cloudy.
okay,
So I put the name of Tanvik Cloudy.
okay. Then you people
But
eradicate
but
surname from your name.
but but in future,
Hmm,
in my son, my daughter,
hmm.
my not no don't need to put the my name. They should put that my wife name.
Okay. Why? Why? If any boys write their name, then they put in their father's name, right?
No, not like that. Yeah. Then my sister name is Suganya.
Okay.
She also put it my father name.
Okay.
And
Then
here, giving priority to the father,
right, right.
not in the mother.
Okay. Then
Mother
what?
means female, father means male.
Hmm. Then what
My
you
intention,
certificate?
my son or daughter,
Mm-hmm.
they should put the name
Hmm.
and also mother name. I
Okay.
don't want my name.
Okay. Okay. Then definitely that is also you can implement. You take action. That is also you can
Yeah,
take. Then what's about certificate? School certificate. Your father name put in there or your mother name also put in there?
the certificate form is like certification is very common.
Okay. Father, mother both name have written in there.
Yes, definitely. So you have to make both names.
Okay. And but your means name doesn't have any kind of surname, right?
Yeah, we like in Tamil Nadu people, no one mentioned the surname.
Okay.
You are not aware of it.
No, I know they have written PP and D Reddy, this kind of S Rao, Rama Rao, that kind of Rao also your surname, Reddy also your surname, right?
Oh, you are talking about Andhra. I am talking about Tamil Nadu.
Okay, Andhra and Tamil Nadu, both you people never write any Reddy and Rao. Is it not your
No,
surname?
no, no.
What's your
Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu, we don't have ready. Tamil Nadu, we don't have Rao.
okay? They are from Andhra Pradesh. Surname according.
Andhra, Andhra, and Tamil Nadu.
Okay, and Pandian, which state? Pandian surname.
Pandian, no surname. Pandian is only name.
Okay, Pandian also one name. That is a not
Hmm.
surname. That is not a surname.
Yeah, you go after end of our conversation, go and search in the Google
Mhm.
to get some information about the Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
The Tamil Nadu people no one mentioned the surname.
Okay. Okay. I didn't have idea about it. Right now I listen from you.
Hmm.
Okay. Then you people never put your surname, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Because you create a